Guys, this is David JoesGE and Electronics here with a Fitbit Charge 2 tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to pair your Charge 2. The first thing you want to do is go into your Fitbit app and on the top right hand corner of your screen, click on the account icon. Go to the bottom. In blue it says set up a new device. Go ahead and click on that. Find your Charge 2 unit. Agree with the terms and policies, that way you can connect it. When it's searching for it, you want to make sure your unit's powered on, that way it'll find your device quicker. When your code pops up, you want to go ahead and put it into your phone. When your Bluetooth pairing request pops up, click on pair and it's all set and ready to go. Go through all the screens here. That way you can edit the settings to tailor it to how you want it. And that's all there is to it. If you guys have any questions regarding this tutorial, comment in the comment section below and we will do our best to reply to your comments. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.